Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am diving into 10 hidden iPhone features and tips that most users don't know. But trust me, once you do, you will never go back. Whether you just got the new iPhone 15 or you are still rocking an older iPhone model, these tricks will boost your productivity, privacy, and creativity. Let's get into it. Back tap magic. Did you know you can double or triple tap the back of your iPhone to trigger actions? Go to settings, accessibility, touch, back tap. Assign it to the thing like opening the camera, taking a screenshot, or even launching shortcuts. It's feel like a secret button on your phone. Try it out. Drag and drop between apps. This is stick 2. Multitasking made easy. You can drag texts, images, or links from one app to another. Just hold, drag, and drop into messages, notes, or Safari. Works like a charm. Tip 3. Hidden trackpad in keyboard. Text editing is so much easier with this. Long press the space bar on the iPhone keyboard, it turns into a trackpad. Now move your cursor precisely where you want without tapping around. Tip 4. Custom lock screen focus modes. With iOS 17, 18, you can link custom lock screens to different focus modes. Create a work lock screen with a minimalist background and widgets, then switch to chill mode with music and weather. It's like having multiple iPhones in one. Tip 5. Live text in video. Watching a video and want to copy text from it? Pause the video. Your iPhone now recognizes text in paused frames. Copy numbers, addresses, or links directly. Incredible for students or professionals reviewing tutorials. Tip 6. Private relay and mail privacy. Want to stay private online? In settings, go to iCloud, then go to private relay, and then turn on IP masking. Also, hide your email in mail. Generate random emails that forward to you. Great for newsletters and sign-ups you don't fully trust. Tip 7. Visual lookup and pet recognition. Take a photo of a plant, dog, or product. Swipe up, tap the I button. Visual lookup gives you details, breeds, similar products, and more. Works great for pet parents too. Your Photos app can now recognize your cat or dog and group them like people. Tip 8. Clean home screen tricks. Hide entire pages of apps. Long press on the home button, then go to tap the page dots, then uncheck what you want to hide. Keep only your essentials visible, clean, minimal, powerful. Also, use app library, swipe left past all pages to search instead of cluttering everything. Tip 9. Siri shortcuts and automations. Go to Shortcuts app, create automations like when I arrive home, play lo-fi music. At 9 pm, turn on focus mode and dark theme. It's like having a personal assistant that adapts to your routine. Tip 10. Safari extension power. Safari now supports real browser extensions like ad blockers, password managers, and grammar tools. Go to settings, then go to Safari, then go to extensions to explore and install. It turns your mobile Safari into a desktop level browser. That's it. Which of these iPhone tips was your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and if you got a secret iPhone trick I didn't mention, share it below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Signing off.